Now this will blow your mind. We don't have to go far to find the perfect modus vivendi in Christianity. The book of Genesis records two sacrifices, the sacrifice of Cain, the sacrifice of Abel. Leviticus chapter 2 tells us that Cain's offering was the most holy sacrifice made to the Lord. So why does the book of Hebrew chapter 11 tell us that Abel's offering was a more excellent than that of Cain? Cain did all he could, and definitely the best he could. In fact, he brought the most holy sacrifice to the Lord. The reason Cain's sacrifice got rejected was because he himself was not atoned. The sacrifice was perfect, but Cain wasn't. Abel's sacrifice, on the other hand, accounted him righteous. Abel's sacrifice was atonement sin offering. Abel was atoned, Cain was not. Doesn't matter if you bring the most perfect sacrifice before God if you're not atoned. It doesn't matter if someone knows more doctrine or has a doctorate in theology. Unless one is atoned, unless you are born again, you will not see the kingdom of heaven. But this is good news. The cross of Jesus Christ awaits for all prodigals. Now is the day of salvation. Hallelujah.